Hello everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. So in this week's weekly vlog, the goal is to finish off some old projects, as well as we need to draw the calendar for April, and I don't think I've shown you what I've drawn for March, so I will show that in today's video as well. And yeah, so we'll be working on a few different projects this week, which is super exciting, and we can finally tick some of these projects off, get them completely finished and out of their boxes to be reused for something else. And yeah, just slowly making my progress down my WIP pile, my massive WIP pile, and finally being able to wear some of these crochet and knitted pieces that I worked on years ago. So I actually ran out of time this week to draw up my April calendar, but here's the March calendar for next year, 2023. I am drawing a calendar this year for next year. It's going to be a year-long project where I draw each month, every month. So this is my calendar drawing for March, and it's this really sweet, like, Mother's Day kind of themed illustration. I haven't coloured it in yet, and there's a little kitty cat on the sofa, there's some yarn in the shelves, which is really sweet. But yeah, let me know what you think of March, and I just need to colour it in. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. But yeah, couldn't do April this week. Hopefully I can get it done next week. So for the midi skirt turned mini skirt, all I've got to do is remove these two squares from the bottom and weave in my ends, and that is the project complete. I cannot believe how long I have kept this in a box and just haven't finished this off. But yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I've got a lot of tail ends to weave in, so I'm going to stick an audiobook on and make my way through it, and hopefully I can put a outfit together later on and show you what it looks like on, and this mini skirt will finally be complete. I'm so excited. Hello, so I'm now wearing the skirt, and this is how I would style it, with some black leggings or tights and a baggy jumper, and I think it looks really cute as a laying piece. It's gotten a lot warmer in the UK now, but this is what it looks like with my new Lucy and Yak denim jacket that I got for my birthday, and I think it looks really nice with it. It matches with the little flower motifs, the little flowers in the skirt. Super cute! Now I'm working on sewing up my knitted jumper. This is the front panel, and I have just sewn up the shoulder seam on one side, and I'm going to move over to this side and sew it up. Okay, I have sewn on one of the sleeves. As you can see, I haven't done the other one, but this is how it's looking. The sleeve turned out the perfect length. It's not perfect. There are a few mistakes, but I don't mind. I just want to get this jumper done and they're not too noticeable, so I think it's okay. Yeah, and it's just a very scrappy kind of jumper, and it's my very first knitted jumper, so it's gonna have a few mistakes, but yay! It's finally complete! Woohoo! We got both sleeves attached and I've tucked away all the ends. I didn't do it completely. As you can see, I've got some long tail ends inside, but it's all tucked away inside, so you can't see any on the outside of the jumper. But yay! I have finished 2 projects this week that I should have finished ages ago, and here's me wearing the jumper. Thank you so much for watching today's little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a lovely day. Happy crocheting or knitting or doing anything crafty, and I will speak to you in the next one. Bye!